Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm bringing you a completely free screen recorder that has no watermark, allows custom screen recording, full screen, microphone, and system audio, webcam, and even supports 4K resolution. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Active Presenter. Click on the first official link. Once the website loads, scroll down and click the download button under the Windows version. As you can see, the download has started. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and run the setup file. Accept the agreement, click Next, and follow the installer instructions. After installation is finished, launch Active Presenter. On the left side menu, click Record Screen as Video. You'll see options to select custom screen size or full screen. Select your preferred option and click the Rec button to start recording. While recording, a small Active Presenter icon will appear in your taskbar. Click it to pause, stop, or save your video. After stopping, you can play the recorded video directly inside the editor. At the top menu bar, click on Export, then select Video. Choose your export location and click OK. Now follow the same steps to record in full screen mode and export that too. Your video will now be saved to your selected folder in full HD and without any watermark. Here is the output of our custom screen recording, full resolution, no watermark. And here is the output of the full screen recording again, crystal clear and completely free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.